It is 4:04 on Monday afternoon. Manly's bringing a stool. He's gonna help. Are you the kitchen helper tonight? All right. We're making no-peak chicken for supper, so we gotta preheat the oven to 350.
No-bake cake.
You wanna make a no-bake cake?
Mm-hmm. With peanut butter on it.
Okay. Well, your birthday's next. Is that what kind of cake you want for your birthday?
Mm-hmm.
Thought you told me you wanted a vanilla cake.
With chocolate? Yeah, I want a vanilla cake with chocolate. I'll wear some new bridges.
Yeah, you are. He's wearing his new britches, huh? So this is no-peak chicken. When we put it in the oven, we don't peak until we're ready to put the cheese on top. I'm not sure why anybody would want to peak. There are lots of different no-peak chicken recipes too. For this one, we use cream of chicken soup and cheddar soup. A lot of them use cream of mushroom. So we're gonna spray this 9x13 casserole dish. We're gonna add in the soups, and we're just gonna mix it right in here in the casserole dish.
When are we going to do the butter?
We don't need butter for this one.
Okay. I'll go for the bag. Now we need it.
It's okay. Most of the time, when we open the cans, we can just do a little pop.
Can I do it?
Yeah, you just do a little pop on the bottom and it'll pop it out there. Try it. You got it? Very good, you got it.
Can I mix it?
Yeah, go ahead and start mixing it, and I'm gonna get the rice. We're gonna use 2 cups of this instant white rice.
I don't like the smell of rice.
You don't? But you like the taste?
Not that much.
Oh.
I would like a chicken.
Oh, okay.
This kind of looks like cheese and it smells kind of weird.
Here come the 2 cups of rice. You're gonna stir this in too, okay?
Ooh, rice actually looks good.
There you go. And we need 1 cup of chicken broth.
I like the smell of that.
Here it comes.
Ooh, it looks just like water.
Let me just see.
Look at the rice, it's floating.
Mm-hmm. I'm just gonna make sure our soups get really mixed together good here. We need 1 cup of frozen broccoli to go in there. These are really big broccoli florets, so I'm gonna have to go through here and find the smaller ones anyway.
This one's gonna push through and
That's okay, yeah, you can stir them in.
it's all breaking.
Okay, let's see if we can spread it out a little bit, okay? All right, that's all we have to do for that part. Now, Mama's gonna do the chicken part, okay? And I'll call you when I'm ready to shred the cheese.
Oh.
All right, I got the chicken on there. I had to defrost it in the microwave for a little bit, so I was waiting on it. I'm just gonna season it with this spice rub chicken, rib rack spice rub. When we get it seasoned, we're gonna cover it with foil, and it goes in the oven for 1 hour. When it's almost been an hour, we'll shred some Colby Jack cheese, and I'm gonna cook some bacon that we're gonna put on top too. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this bacon into small pieces while I cook it. That way it's already crumbled for us. We're continuing our kitchen cleanup in the afternoons. We've been working on the cabinets. Today we're doing the refrigerators because I'm gonna be getting groceries tomorrow probably. Jonah's helping me with this one in here, and Sissy's cleaning up the one in the laundry room.
Okay. What about these? Oh, what about the blueberry pancakes? Oh, no. Random old pack of ice.
Jonah found these Sister Schubert sweet Hawaiian rolls, so we'll make these to go with the no-peak chicken tonight. Bacon is almost done. We're gonna make some sweet potatoes too, so I'm gonna go ahead and get them in the Instant Pot. The chicken has about 35 minutes left on it now before we're ready to put the cheese on. Okay, we're gonna go 15 minutes. No, it's a Colby Jack.
Oh, what are you going to get on my birthday? I'm going to get you a shrimp. chicken again?
She's cooking chicken, Skeeter?
Oh, no peek, I forgot. I almost peeked at the chicken.
Oh, is that what it's called?
Yeah, no peek chicken.
I've been trying to figure out what the name of that was. I was like, what? We've been shoeing horses, everybody. How long is it gonna take this chicken, Mom?
It's got 20 more minutes.
Which pan?
Just some kind of little pan. John was putting the rolls on the pan.
Oh, okay.
We got the bear this morning, y'all, on the trail pan.
Yeah, the bear. Pretty good sized bear.
There he is.
Can y'all see him? That's what's getting in our trash.
Yeah.
Not just that one, there's a bunch of them.
It was just him this morning.
Yeah,
That's this morning?
Yeah, it was about 3:30 this morning.
y'all can see there.
It's time to remove the foil from the no. Oh, it smells yummy.
Don't peek.
Let's see what we've got. Oh, lovely.
I don't know why they don't want you to peek.
Me either. We put the cheese on top and it goes back in uncovered for 5 minutes. And we'll put the rolls in too. And we just sprinkle the bacon on after the cheese melts.
Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, I like the way it looks. It smells good.
Yeah, because it's homemade.
That's pretty good, Mama. That's fantastic.
All right, y'all, we're getting the kids always forget to put a new trash bag in when they change the trash. Anyway, I'm getting the kitchen and everything cleaned up. We're almost done. Everybody else is running outside to play ball. Titus got all the kids a new baseball glove and all, so they're going out to do that. But I wanted to show y'all the new member of the family because some of y'all asked about it in a couple of videos back. So yeah, unfortunately, the Aldi vacuum failed us. It worked one time, y'all. I don't know. Maybe we just had a bad one. I know some of y'all had that Aldi one and said that it worked great for y'all. Maybe we just had a bad one. But anyway, I decided to go back with a Shark. Shark has been my favorite vacuum. I've never had one of the Dyson. I've never had a Dyson or any of those really, you know.
Fancy ones.
Yeah, fancy ones. But Shark, they've always worked great for me. I had a Shark Navigator a few years ago, best vacuum cleaner I've ever had. Like I said, it's, you know, there are lots of vacuum cleaners, but it's the best one I've ever had. And when it started messing up on us, it wasn't its fault. The boys, I can't remember exactly what they were using it for, but something happened with it there. I don't know. I think they were either cleaning trucks with it or cleaning up the shop. Something happened and it got damaged in that way. It wasn't its fault. But yeah, it was a great vacuum cleaner. So I went back with a Shark. This is also a Shark Navigator, but I think it's a different style. They had ones very similar to the one I had before, but they were a little more expensive. This one was, I think, about $20 cheaper than those, and it is a Navigator. Where's it at? Right there. I think it's just a different type of the Navigator. I don't know. I'll link it down below if y'all want to check it out. But yeah, it's corded and all that, you know, old school type thing. But these seem to work better for me. I don't know why I have such a hard time with vacuum cleaners, but we'll see how long this one lasts. I did make a rule though. Only me and Cece are allowed to use this vacuum cleaner because I'm pretty sure that it's when Titus and those boys get a hold of it, vacuuming out trucks and all different things, that's when they start going downhill. And he has a shop vac, so I don't know why they always want to get my vacuum cleaners. It has a hard floor and carpet setting, so I'm just gonna vacuum around the table. I vacuumed the rugs just yesterday, so they're good. All right, let's vacuum. They want me to go out there and show my baseball skills. I have none. I have zero, absolutely none.